back to my channel. Today is day 24 of 31 days of Halloween. Today we are doing a character that already exists in the world, and that is Yzma from The Emperor's New Groove. So I am going to be turning into Yzma if Yzma was a real person. So it's not going to be exactly like the cartoon. It's not going to have the exact same dimensions to the face and everything, but you will know who I'm trying to be. So let's get started. The first step is the hair. We have to get rid of it. We have to make it go away. So Yzma wears a turban in most of the movie. So I'm going to pull my hair back and twist it up and out of the way and bobby pin it into place. So however you need to get your hair out of the way, you can braid it. My hair is not really that long or thick, so I just need to basically get it up and out of my face. And then I have a bunch of little wig caps. I could not find a black turban that I liked, so I'm gonna make one out of wig caps. I'm just gonna pull these over my hair, and I have like 5 or 6 of them here. And we're just gonna layer them on top of each other until they look solid enough. This is the last one I have, which I think will actually be the perfect amount of opaqueness here. So her skin is pretty gray, so I have just a mix of black and white paint here, and we're just gonna paint this on like we would if it was foundation. So as I'm painting the body, I'm using a little bit more white to do the front of the neck because she has a very slim neck. So we're gonna kind of contour it out a little bit here. So doing just really light gray here, and then we'll kind of do darker gray along the shoulders and the rest of the neck. So now that I'm all shaded in here, I'm going to start on the face with her under eye bag. So I'm just taking, again, a darker gray and creating more of that dark shading underneath my eye. This dark color to contour our nose. She has a very skinny nose, and it's very pointy. I use that dark gray color that we used before and use it to contour around her chin and jaw. Do the same with the rest of the face. Now for the eyes, her eyeshadow is kind of a fuchsia color, so I'm going in with Fantasy from ColourPop. It's just this really pretty fuchsia kind of purpley color. And we're gonna put this on our eyes. And we're gonna bring it up quite a bit because she has really big eyeshadow. And I'm just blending this with my fingers. Now I'm gonna go in with some mascara because she has very big lashes. So we're gonna throw on the biggest pair of lashes I own, which are my magnetic ones, which I will show you guys here in a second. This is the Wander Beauty Mile High mascara, by the way. I've never seen Wander Beauty in a store. They're always in like Ipsy and Birchbox and stuff like that. So are they a subscription only brand? Let me know because I have no idea. These are the lashes I'm going to be using. They're really long, really big, so I'm going to throw these on and I'll be right back. So we have the lashes on. The last little part is to make your nostrils kind of pointy and come up higher, because hers definitely do that. So we're gonna bring them up. So that kind of just draw triangles. Then her lips are very kind of thin and they're kind of a fuchsia color too. So I have this Marc Jacobs lip pencil. I'm gonna draw on her lips. I'd say stay to about the middle of each of your lips, so they're not too full. Okay, so now for some finishing touches. I do have this teal earrings because she does have big round, I couldn't find like big round teal ones or even paper that was the right color to make them, so I just went with these instead. And of course, the last little bit to this look, you gotta have a feather. So I just have this purple one. I don't have a big plume like she does, but there you go. That is my Yzma look. Oh my gosh, I didn't give her eyebrows. Good Lord. And the last step, I'm just gonna add some really thin, menacing eyebrows. This is the end of my Yzma tutorial. If you guys like it, make sure you let me know down below in the comment section and like, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.